Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to show you a dashboard that I have developed for specifically Amazon UK sellers who can use the unified transaction report, and based on this report they can get some good insights in the sales as well as the total net profit or loss based on their cost of goods sold and other fee which Amazon charges, and you can view it on a weekly basis and see how your Amazon shop is doing, whether you are making money or whether you are losing. It's just based on one report which is called unified transaction report, and it looks like this, where you can see this is the report that you will download from Amazon Seller Central. And based on this report, once you get this report, you just need to store it into a certain folder and give the path to the folder over here in your PC. So once you give the path, it will read the data from all the files. Take an extract or report every month. Just take each and every month report and put that into the folder. The CSV file will stay there. You don't have to do anything with that. You just need to come back here and provide the link to that particular folder, and that's it. And once you get here, you just need to go to your home page and data page and just click on refresh all. That will pull all the data from that Excel sheet. The inside queries are all built in, and based on that it will refresh everything and show you the data based on the files that you have uploaded. So every month or every year, if you want to do that, just keep on taking the extract from Amazon and just put it into that particular folder and use this sheet to refresh the data. And the other good thing you can do with this is you can use these filters to filter the data based on your month. So if you want to see for a whole month, it will show for each week, but also you can see for the whole month in the grand total. Also, since I have only 1 month data, so I cannot show you for the whole year, but if you have all the yearly data, you can just select all the year for 2022. It will show you everything. So that will be very handy for you to do your taxes or just to see how your business is doing on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, and on a yearly basis. Also, it will pull the data from the account transfer that happens, so you can see how much money was deposited to your bank during that time frame, and also it will give you a summary of the profit or loss. And the only other thing you need to do here is to go to this product master, and based on the SKU that you are selling, just put the same SKU name here. And you can also designate your own product names, like you can put a parent product name and corresponding child product name, and you can put the cost of goods sold and the cost of shipping per unit cost. So if you're buying from wholesaler or maybe from a private label manufacturer, you can add that extra per piece shipping cost to this, or if you don't want, just leave it 0 and just add everything to the cost of goods sold. So once you have done that, save this data, go back over here and just refresh the data. It will pick everything and it will use that data to generate your cost of goods sold. So here in this case, I'll just give you an example that it shows 21. And why it shows 21? Because in this week of January 1st till January 9th, there were 6 units sold, and you can see that over here. If you see from January 2nd to January 9th or January 8th in this case, the number of orders, if you just filter it by order, you can see that there were only 6 units sold, right? And in these 6 units, $115.62 pounds. And also, if you verify that this is just one SKU, and this SKU has a cost of, if you see here, it's a cost of $3.50. It's a 3.5 pound. So for 3.5 times 6 becomes your cost of goods sold, which is your 21 pounds. So this is your cost of goods sold. That's how it's calculated. And so based on all these products that you have sold during that time frame, the cost of goods sold is calculated automatically. And also you have all the other fee that is charged during that time frame also shows up over here, and you can verify from this data. I have already verified. I don't want to bore you to death by going through all the numbers. You can see that everything that you need for a profit and loss in Amazon UK. You can use that report to see your health of the business, and at any point of time you can find out the profitability, and it will be very handy during the end of the year or during the taxation period when you want to see how much you have spent and how much you have earned, and you can use this to generate your tax filings. I will put a link below in this description to get this file from Etsy. And if you have any questions or any concerns or any request for modification, feel free to put your comments and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.